Hi, first graders. We are talking about opinion writing. When we are writing an opinion piece, we are telling others what we think or the way that we feel. Oftentimes, you are trying to convince others to agree with you. This is done by giving them reasons to support your opinion. Each paragraph we write for opinion writing needs to have a topic sentence, which is where you state your opinion. It needs to have detail sentences, those are the reasons that you feel that way, and it needs to have a conclusion. Now, first, we talked about the best fruit to eat. Then, we filled out a circle map to talk about our favorite fruit. So in the center here, we put our favorite fruit, and then in the outer center, we put our details why we like that fruit. Then the following day, we did a graphic organizer where we did a pre-write of our opinion writing piece. You have your topic sentence, you have your three reasons, and a conclusion. Yesterday, we started talking about our favorite outdoor activity. Here were some examples. Do you like to ride a bike? Do you like to skateboard? Do you like to catch insects? Do you like to jump rope? Do you like to play soccer? Do you like to play in the sprinklers? Do you like to walk your dog? Do you like to play on a slide? Do you like to jump in the leaves? And do you like to play hide and seek? So those were some examples that we went over yesterday. Now, we made a circle map yesterday. The circle map is a way for you to brainstorm your ideas. So in the middle, we said our activity, which is the best outdoor activity, and I said walk the dog. Then you said, why do you like it? And that's what you put in the details section. So I said fresh air, it makes my dog happy, and it's good exercise. Now I only did three reasons because you need three reasons. You have to write about three reasons in your opinion piece, but if you want to put more details, it will help you give more details to write about. So here's another example of our circle map. Our activity was hiking. We said that the details or reasons why we like hiking is good exercise, nice scenery, fun to hike with friends, challenging to hike up steep hills. We can take pictures, you can see wildlife, and you can hike in different places. So we're going to start with the circle map about walking the dog, and we're going to fill in our graphic organizer. As always, you want to get your name up on the top. That way we know who the author is or the person who wrote it. And then yours is going to be different than mine, but I'm going to write my topic sentence. The best outdoor activity is, and I'm going to say, walking my dog. Okay, then we need to give three reasons to support those our opinion. So if you go back to your circle map, the outer circle is your reason. So the first one is fresh air. Reason number one, I'm going to say you can get fresh air. Okay, then go back to your circle map for reason number two. I said it makes my dog happy. So in reason number two, I'm going to say my dog likes to go on walks. Okay, then we need one more reason. Go back to your circle map, and I said exercise. And so I'm going to write reason number three is walking, sorry, is good exercise. Then we need to do our conclusion. So it says blank is a great activity for me. So I'm going to say dog walking. That's kind of a small space, so you can write it up on top if you need to. Is a great activity for me. Now my graphic organizer is complete. Let's do one more example. This is the one for hiking. So in our circle map, we said that the best outdoor activity is hiking. Then we gave details to support. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 details here. So we have lots of details to choose from. So best outdoor activity is hiking. Reason number one, go back to your circle map, pick one. We picked nice scenery here. So then for reason number one, I put nice scenery. Okay, go back to your map for reason number two. Pick one of those, and we're going to pick it's good exercise, which is right here. Then put for reason number 2, good exercise. And then we need one more reason to go on reason number 3, so you can go back to your map. I'm going to say it's fun to hike with friends. Okay, then your conclusion, hiking is a great activity for me. So I want you to fill out your graphic organizer, and I'll give you just a second to do that in just a minute. But before we do that, I want to show you an example of what a writing piece would look like. So here is the example we're going to use, is walking outdoors, walking your dog. So you're going to say, in my opinion, I think the best outdoor activity is walking my dog. Okay, that is your opening sentence. So this is your topic sentence. In my opinion, you're stating your opinion. Then our second sentence will be reason number 1. You're going to say, I feel this way because then you need to write reason number 1. So go back to your graphic organizer, see what reason number 1 is, and we said you can get fresh air. So I'm going to say, I feel this way because you can get fresh air. Okay? Then you have your third sentence, which is another reason. You can say, I also feel this way because, and then you need to go back to your graphic organizer and see your second reason. Mine was, my dog likes to go on walks. So I'm going to say, I also feel this way because my dog loves to go on walks. Make sure you have capitals and periods, okay? So now we have our opening sentence. We have one feeling sentence, 2 feeling sentences. That is all you are required to do. If you would like to do a third feeling sentence, you can do that here. But then the last thing we need is a conclusion. We are going to say, walking my dog is the best outdoor activity. So you do not need to write your opinion writing today with your introduction, your 2 feeling sentences or 3, and your conclusion. But starting next week, you will be writing your own opinion pieces. So if you'd like to give it a try, that's an extra challenge for you today. The only assignment you are given today for writing is to fill out your graphic organizer right here. You're going to fill that out, and I'm excited to see what you write about when I get your packet back. Bye.